Come on, Anna. Come on, Anna. Oh. Come on, Anna. Come on, let's go, let's go.
Yes, I can, mate.
Litecoin is said to break all-time highs once again within this year because currently Litecoin is looking bullish for 2021. Stay tuned to find out on today's TA on what's going on with the Litecoin charts. So let's roll the cameras. So I hope you're having a good day. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing you a weekly video on Litecoin. So please make sure to like and subscribe down below for future content. And also I want to know your thoughts on my content that I'm producing. So feel free to point out any suggestions that you want to know about the channel or anything related to cryptocurrencies. So this is the Litecoin monthly chart, and as you can see, Litecoin is still in this bullish uptrend in the monthly charts, and this could continue for decades to come. And currently Litecoin did break above this resistance level at around $147 within these few days, and that's a very key level. As you can see that Litecoin is forming this W pattern on the monthly time frame, and this could be a long opportunity of a lifetime. So if you place a trade at around these levels, you could see price moves to the upside in the coming months and years, because the main objective now is that Litecoin is going to test the all-time highs of $386. But the real test is the body candle closes here on Litecoin, which are $226 level. So if Litecoin breaks that level and closes with the monthly candle, then we could see explosive price moves for Litecoin in the upcoming years and months. So that's the major level that we need to look out for the Litecoin price. Then we could, if we break that level, then we could reach the all-time highs. So let's mark that significant level that we need to break above and close with a full candlestick pattern. So I'll put this dotted line, which will show us that if Litecoin does have a close above that level, that could mean that we could retest the all-time highs very soon, because we could find a lot of resistance at that level before we could retest the all-time highs. So if we break that level, all-time highs will be better to cross above. So we must watch that level as a next point. So if we project the price move to the upside and how much gains that we can make with Litecoin until the top of the bull trend, it could be a approximately 1,500% gain to the upside if Litecoin does reach the top trend line in this bullish trend of Litecoin. So that's the price of Litecoin within a few years or months. That's the price targets that I'll be likely to take profits out of Litecoin, because if Litecoin does touch that upper trend line, we could see the Litecoin price having some resistance, then possibly entering in a new bear market. So that level is very important for Litecoin, and that's the future price projection. But we cannot predict the top. We just wanna use technical analysis to predict or set out probabilities where the Litecoin price could go within a few years. So keep that in mind when looking at technical analysis. You only use probabilities to determine the future and the past. So we have to wait and see if Litecoin does reach that target. of approximately $2,500 per Litecoin within 1 year. So now let's go to the weekly time frame to see a possible move to retest that full body candle closes that were the candlesticks at the all-time high. So if you reach that target, that move could be a approximately 45% move from the time that we are currently at. That move would be 45%. So we could reach that price target very soon than expected, because we saw that the Litecoin price did found support at the last higher high on the 17th of the 24th of June 2019. So Litecoin did find support at that level, and that level was very key for Litecoin to break above, and we found support and slightly dipped below it. Then we started going to the upside, and I think Litecoin will still have a rally to the upside and test all-time highs very soon. So Litecoin in the bigger time frames is very bullish, even in the shorter time frames. So all is still well for the Litecoin price. And this is gonna be it for today's video. Always stay digital.